Hi bestie, have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Worry no more, because in today's video, I'm going to share with you another scholarship. Yes, how you can travel to Germany free of charge. If this is something that you are interested in, oh yeah, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, you know how we do it. Click on the subscribe button, join the family, and introduce yourself in the comments. I want to know you and I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? If you're a returning subscriber, me, I see you. You see me. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for always liking my videos every single time you tune in. Thank you for always sharing my videos, and thank you for leaving your beautiful comments for your girl. Thank you. I'm truly grateful. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. Here on this channel, I share 3 videos every single week. So make it a day. Join me. Click on this. Join it. Watch my videos every single day. Tune into this channel every single day. There's something for someone every single day. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, have you heard of LMU Munich Summer Intake 2026? Let's talk about LMU, Munich Ludwig Maximilian University. It is one of Germany's oldest and most respected research universities. LMU is a leader in humanities, a leader in social sciences, a leader in medicine and life sciences, and it is consistently ranked among the top 5 universities in Germany. Now, with the summer intake of 2026, you can start your academic journey in April by bypassing the winter rush and securing your spot early. Here is what to expect. No tuition fees for most programs. Apply, yes, right now. And the visa filing window is currently open, so go ahead and start applying. APS certificate is mandatory for certain countries, including India. But you know what? Scholarship and blocked accounts guidance is also included. LMU offers a wide range of English taught master's program, and it is located in Munich, Germany, and they give you access to cultural richness, global networking, and career opportunities. If you're passionate about research, if you're passionate about policy or global impact, LMU is your launch pad. You get rich cultural heritage and modern lifestyle. Germany offers a unique blend of historic charm and modern living, from castles and cathedrals to smart cities and high-speed trains. Students experience both tradition and innovation. Cities like Berlin, Germany, Munich, Germany, Hamburg, they are multicultural, they are safe, and they are full of art, music, and festivals that make students' life vibrant and unforgettable. Scholarships and financial support. Guys, in addition to free tuition, Germany offers generous scholarships through organizations like DAAD, Erasmus, and university-specific programs. Now, these can cover living expenses, your travel, and your research costs. And many scholarships prioritize academic merit, community impact, or underrepresented background, making them accessible to diverse applicants. It also central location for European travel. See, Germany's location in the heart of Europe makes it easy to travel to neighboring countries like France, like Italy, like Austria, like the Netherlands. With affordable trains and budget airlines, students can explore different cultures and attend international conferences and build a global network, all while studying in one place. Guys, I'm sure you've heard it countless times on this channel that you should stay ready so you don't have to get ready. And I hope that you know that there are certain things that you have done in the past that can count, that can increase your chances of getting selected. Have you ever served in your community? In case you are thinking, oh, I have not served do you serve in your church? Have you served in your mosque? Have you served in your local area or in your school? Have you ever held any leadership position? What were the things that you did? What were the differences that you made? What were the impacts that you made? Geez, you got to package it together and put it in your application. You are welcome. I'm sure you probably might not have thought of this, but you know what? Put everything together. You got to toot your horn. You have to learn to toot your own horn, because who will do it better than you? No one will. So go ahead and put it together. Your statement of purpose has to really be very solid. Highlight all of the things that you have done in the past, all of the amazing feats that you have achieved. Honestly, it is highly competitive. I cannot, no doubt about that. But you know what? Put your best foot forward. Yes, put your best foot forward. Apply on time. Apply early. I've said this so many times on my channel. There's so many scholarships on my channel that if you are unable to afford the application fee, talking about the application to apply, there's usually an application fee. Very few schools don't have any application fee at all attached to them. So you know what you can do? For any university that has application fee, you can request for an application fee waiver. I am telling you, So yes, you can take advantage of this opportunity. And just so you know, Germany is one of these schools one of the countries that offer post-study, yes, post-study work opportunities. Yes, so you can also become, it's also a pathway to becoming a citizen. You can do all the research yourself while you are in these countries and then find out how you can immerse yourself and integrate into a new society. And that's not all. Studying abroad gives you an opportunity to meet people from different walks of life. Yes, and the good thing is you can also find your future partner in this university. And that is not all. You also gain international exposure. Yes, you get to understand how things work in different countries, the systems, adaptability. You also build resilience, and you also get to discover yourself. You build lifelong friendships. You get to understand that, so I have immense proficiency in this thing. I didn't know I'm that good. It's going to bring out the best in you. I am telling you, and it's currently open, so take advantage of this opportunity and please share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm telling you, traveling abroad gives you global connections. Yes, it gives you that thriving student scene. You're able to meet with different students from different parts of the globe. You also get to immerse yourself in their culture. You also get to teach them something about your own culture as well. There are lots of people that you wonder, what did you people hear about egusi? They come here and they, when they see you and you're from Nigeria, they say, oh, I've tried the egusi. I met someone back in the university, So you get to meet people like the Indian biryani and the Filipino pancit and lumpia. So you get to understand what about different cultures. You get to immerse yourself in the culture, and trust me, it's an experience of a lifetime. It's better experience than food. It's better you experience it yourself, and you get to, integrate into another culture. And the good thing is a lot of the programs are taught in English, and you also have the opportunity to learn German language. And it's going to help boost your employability. It's going to help you boost your integration. And the good thing is a lot of these schools offer low-cost language courses. Yes, and speaking German language, Dutch, it opens doors to even internships and community engagement. And like I said, it's a pathway to getting your permanent residency. So don't sleep on it. It's your chance to get a dual citizenship. Yes, like I am currently an American citizen. Yes, so so it's an option for you. So it's not just a study destination. It can be a potential home. It can be your home, like for real, your home. So guys, I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually study in Germany. Yes, so for free. So yes, if you are new here and you have not introduced yourselves, please go ahead and do that. If you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, go ahead and join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership, and you're on your way to, you're already there, right? I can help you in your application process and all of the good stuff. Or you can click on the join button right next to the subscribe button and join my Patreon, my channel membership, and we can take it from there. By all means, my people, the link is already in my description. I've done all the homework for you. I researched till about 2:30 in the morning, looking for all of these opportunities for you guys. So guys, I will see you in my next video. And in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you are sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care, guys. God bless you. Bye for now.